guys, welcome back to my channel and to another video. I hope you are doing fantastic, and today we are going to talk about chocolate fragrances. If you even do not like chocolate in fragrances, please stay with me, because I do not particularly like straightforward chocolate fragrances, but I have few compositions in here that may be of interest to you if you like more deep, sweet and complex compositions. So if you are interested, please stay with me. My name is Justina, this is my perfume world. If you like it here, please consider subscribing to this channel, leave a like, leave a comment, and let's go. So yeah, as I said, I do not like quite literal chocolate fragrances. For example, fragrances like Chocolate Greedy from Montal is completely not for me. I do not like this fragrance. It's too powdery and chalky for me. Basically, when I smell Chocolate Greedy, it feels for me like I would eat very dry chocolate cookie and it would stuck in my throat. That's how I feel, and it's not a pleasant feeling. Plus, I feel very overwhelmed by this fragrance. It is too sticky, too sweet, so it's completely not for me. But as I said, I have also a couple of types that are really nice and are very high on my list when it comes to my favorite perfumes. So let's start with the first one, which is a cheapie actually, but I think this fragrance is really, really good as for the price, and at some point it even went viral, especially the spray version. I have here oil version, however, I think they are similar. When I was, watching reviews, people said that they are that they are identical. So no need to differentiate here. And first one is Rehab and it's Choco Musk. And this one is very, very simple. It doesn't smell like chocolate per se. It smells like cocoa butter body balm. That's the connotation I have when I smell this fragrance, and it's really nice when you use it solo or with other compositions that you want to sweeten up. So nice, very simple. As I said, smells like cocoa butter, and that's it basically. However, this one is quite long lasting, especially when it macerates, when it sits in your collection for quite a long time. It's stronger, sweeter, but it's not overwhelming. So if you're afraid that you will be overwhelmed by chocolate, it will be too sweet, too sticky, I do not think so, because I do not like this effect, and for me it's really nice and soothing even at some point when I'm wearing it. So yeah, of course, as everything, you need to test it out, but all in all, I think this one is really, really good and very, very cheap. So that was the first one, our Rehab Choco Musk. Another one is more exquisite and more expensive, of course, and this one is from Rosendo Mateu, and this one is 1970. And this bottle is just beautiful, but it's very it makes big reflections here, so I won't be bothering your eyes with this bottle, but it's beautiful, Art Deco style. I absolutely love it. And this one is called Tonka Expansion Glamour. This one is just exquisite, and I noticed that usually when you have this cocoa accord or chocolate accord in the perfumes, it is combined with tonka. That amps up beautifully this chocolate accord, gives it depth and layers, and that's what we have in here. And here, apart from chocolate and tonka, we have earthy accord, and it grounds down the whole composition. It's not like muddy accord or anything like that. It's not pungent, nothing like this. It's just beautifully, elegantly, semi-sweet, earthy. I do not know if I make sense, but it smells like this for me. Very elegant, put together, a little bit sweet, not too sweet, slightly golden even when you are sniffing from the cap. Very elegant, and it lasts really long time. Moderate projection, I would say. However, it's always hard to tell because I do not follow my own CR, so it's very, very hard to tell. But on me, it lasts really long time, but I do not feel the big scent bubble. It's more of an elegant fragrance when you want to smell good, but you do not want to suffocate everyone around you. Beautiful. Tonka Expansion Glamour, Rosendo Mateu, 1970. So yeah, that is it. And another one is one of my favorite fragrances, gourmand fragrances. Actually, it's not a straight up gourmand. It has many layers, many things going on, but it's so, so good. And I've been recommending this fragrance already on this channel. I think it's very, very underrated. And I'm talking about Tiziana, Terenzi, and it's ALC Contrario. I don't know why gourmand lovers do not talk about it sufficiently, because this one is just really good. It has cacao, but it also has hazelnut and malt. And malt gives it this beautiful sweet and boozy accord. So absolutely beautiful. It has tonka bean as well. And when you first spray it, it's slightly citrusy. I think it has slight amount of bergamot, but it's ever so slight. Only when you spray it, only when you first sniff it, then it's deep, rich, and boozy. It has this boozy accord coming from malt, which is at the same time sweet. So amazing. You need to check it out. If you like gourmands that are complex, not too suffocating, not too sweet, not too sticky, you need to test it out. And it has also sugar cane, so do not be afraid of it as well. When I first saw the olfactive pyramid, I was thinking to myself, I think it might be too much, you know, because too much of sweetness, I do not think it's for me, but it is. But it is, believe me, it works in here. So beautiful, so good. This one lasts really decently. I've read on Fragrantica that on some people it doesn't last at all. I cannot agree. It doesn't have, again, this very, very big scent bubble around you. However, you can prominently feel this fragrance on you throughout the day. So yeah, Tiziana Terenzi Al Contrario, very, very underrated in my opinion. Another one is another cheapie, and you need to get it if you like gourmands as well. And this one is from Zara. It's Sundesert at Sunset, and I have this first edition. I know that now probably those bottles were rebranded a little bit, reworked. The sticker is a bit different, but the bottle in general is the same. But I do not know how they smell. I hope it's the same. But I have this version that smells very, very similar to Kilian Angel's Share. But Angel's Share for me has those sharp edges, too much spices, and it smells on me actually like expired perfume. I don't know why. I have this strange, you know, aura on my skin when I spray Kilian Angel's Share. So for me, I do not think I like this fragrance that much. But this one is just silky smooth version of Kilian Angel's Share, and that's what I really, really like. And here we have chocolate, tonka bean again, which smells a little bit like cherries. It is sweet, it is boozy again, and it has this slight fruity accord, even a little bit juicy. So nice. Complex as well, and for me it's one of my favorite Zara fragrances, so you need to check it out, especially if you like Kilian Angel's Share. I know that people say different things about this fragrance, but I do like it. It is so, so good. Complex, niche smelling, but very, very gourmand at the same time. Sweet, so nice, silky smooth, elegant. What else can you want more for this price, especially Sundesert at Sunset from Zara? And another one will be from the same brand. Another two fragrances actually will be from the same brand, and it's Gallagher fragrances. First one will be my absolute chocolate favorite, and this fragrance actually convinced me to try more and more fragrances with chocolate or cacao, and this one is wicked good. This one, guys, is just amazing. It has only 3 ingredients: chocolate, Madagascar vanilla, and tonka bean. This chocolate in here, it's so luxurious. It is dry, so it's not too sweet at all. It is not suffocating, it is not sticky. So if it's important to you, you need to check out Wicked Good. So amazing. It smells like the best quality chocolate praline. That's the connotation I have in my head when I smell this fragrance. Absolutely amazing. It is slightly like cold chocolate smell as well, and tonka bean here just works wonders. Absolutely amazing. If you do not like chocolate fragrances like me, like straight up chocolate fragrances, and you're not sure, just check out Wicked Good. I think you might be very nicely surprised with this one. And another from Gallagher fragrances is Behold Patchouli. And this one, you need to like this earthy patchouli for sure, because it has this patchouli oil and a typical smell of patchouli oil in here. However, it is combined with chocolate and orange. And for me, it smells like chocolate. It smells like orange jelly covered in chocolate. Basically, that's it. with added patchouli. And this effect I absolutely love. Patchouli gives it nice dimension. Patchouli is chocolatey in itself as well, so it's combined just exquisitely. If you like the smell and taste of those orange jellies covered in chocolate, and you want to have it in the perfume, but in very nice niche way, not cheap, definitely you need to try Behold Patchouli from Gallagher Fragrances. Absolutely amazing. It lasts really long time, smells divine, absolutely amazing. Patchouli, if you like it, you need to check it out. Patchouli and Gourmands, if you like those two categories, you need to check it out. And another one will be from one of my favorite niche brands. And this one is just amazing. And this one convinced me to try more of cacao and chocolate fragrances as well, same as Wicked Good. Suma Oriental from Nuit Nomade. And this one is just amazing. Again, we have chocolate combined with tonka bean, with rum, so it's again boozy and so nice, and it's warm because we have amber in the base. So this amber gives it a little bit like this warm and, you know, warm and slightly dry quality to it as well. Slightly bitter even, and woody. I absolutely love this fragrance. You need to check it out if you like sweet, but not too sweet fragrances again. If you like warm fragrances, boozy fragrances, definitely. If you like tonka bean in fragrances, absolutely. You need to check it out. Of course, it has a pinch of vanilla as well. Beautiful, dark liquid. Absolutely love Suma Oriental, especially during fall and winter. I cannot recommend it enough. So nice, delicious, but not too gourmand as well. So yeah, Suma Oriental, and I have a coupon code with Nuit Nomade. As I always say, I absolutely love this brand. All right, and another one will be iconic already, Jousset and it's Le Gourmand. And this one smells like straight up Nutella. That is it. That's all you need to know. It is Nutella spread on a butter toast. That's what you get in here. That's it. And I was so impressed when I was smelling this fragrance because it really literally smells like food, but it's so nice. It's so cozy. It's so warm. It gives you those nice feelings, like nice childhood feelings. I don't know how else to explain it, but it's so good. So nice. Yeah, Le Gourmand from Jousset. And the last one will be a new release from Pernoire, and it's the first Pernoire perfume that is gourmand. So I was very excited about this release, and it's Otimo. And it's inspired by Phoenix. So here we have Phoenix, the bird that raises from the ashes. And I absolutely love this composition as well. Here also we have rum, we have tonka bean, we have patchouli, osmanthus, and quince. So it's very original. It is sweet, but not too sweet again. It is slightly leathery as well. As far as I remember, we have leather in here, but this leather is like a suede leather combined with tonka, with praline. So this praline is just absolutely amazing. Not too sticky again, not too sweet. Very nice unisex gourmand actually. So if you are a man and you're looking for something nice but not too sweet, not too feminine leaning or masculine leaning even, because it's perfectly right in the middle for me, you need to check Otimo. So nice. It smells very expensive, slightly boozy, but thanks to the quince, you have this slightly juicy and fruity accord. For me, I have like far connotation with cocoa cake, with nice crumble and fruits inside. Like those yellow fruits, like quince, slightly even sour, but not too much. So beautiful, absolutely beautiful. My husband sprayed it just once and he smelled for a very long time with Otimo. So and it smelled just divine, very, very expensive. So if you are looking for a perfect quality gourmand, definitely check out Otimo from Pernoire. And that was it for today. Let me know what are your chocolate favorite fragrances. I will be very curious to read your comments. Thank you very much for watching today, and see you in my next videos. Bye.